In this video, I will show you how to create a payment link in PayPal. So there's basically two ways you can do this. The first one is to just get your general link. For this, just open up the PayPal app or website and go to the settings icon or account section. And from there, right here under your profile, you will find your link. Now, if you go and copy this, you can then send it to someone and they can then transfer money to you. Now, if you want to ask for a specific amount, just go back to home. And from there, click More right here and click Create an Invoice. Now here, just select a customer, so just someone that you want to request the money from. They can do the items and you can set how much the item costs. For example, this one right here. And from there, it will then create an invoice. And then people will also be able to pay with other payment methods beside PayPal, and the money will still be added directly to your PayPal account. But just go and add the person that you want to send it to, how much it costs, any notes that you want. And from there, what you can go and do is click on the drop down and then click Share Link to Invoice. And now it's going to get you a link, so you can now copy the invoice link. And when somebody then opens that link, they will then have an invoice where they can go and pay you. So that's how to get a payment link on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.